Well,
Did you know that you can wrap an old vehicle in paint protection film as well? Well, stick around and we'll show you why and how. ...2019 Audi S4. So what we got going on here is, yes, this vehicle is older. The customer absolutely loves black cars, and this has been one of his bucket list cars. And he's the type that keeps his cars long term. So for him, this brings, it's very important to wrap essentially the whole entire car with paint protection film. What is that going to help out with? Rock chips, scratches, dents, dings, and things like that going on forward, making the ownership experience that much better. Like I said, he loves his vehicles. He loves to keep them clean, loves to keep them long term. So he said at least 5 years is what he's going to keep this vehicle for. So it makes sense for him to have this vehicle totally wrapped. That way, again, his ownership experience, it looks amazing. And possibly when he sells it, he can get top dollar for the car itself. Now, where are we at here? Essentially disassembled a good bit of the vehicle. We do have a technician on site, so he is responsible for taking things apart, putting them back together. That way, it makes it that much easier for us delegating certain tasks to specific people. That way, we don't have 3 people doing one job. We have a technician that takes the cars apart. We have a couple of installers that do the work. Technician reinstalls everything back. We have a detailer on site that's responsible for ceramic coatings and prepping vehicles. Just makes the business and operation run much, much smoother. So in this case, to get the best and optimal coverage, we have disassembled the mirrors, the door handles, the moldings are loosened up, the gas cap cover here is off. We have the taillights out, we have the reflectors out here. We removed some of the badges there. When you're working with older vehicles specifically, very important to get it as clean as possible, because areas like this, they will trap a lot of dirt. There was so much gravel and dirt in this area that if we would have not removed the part here and try to wrap this, the water would flow, causing all the dirt, sand, grime to run down and contaminate the film coming in this area. Same thing here. This was contaminated completely with rocks, dirt, grime, anything and everything that you can imagine was sitting right here, right on the edges. So again, that would have trickled down, contaminated the film. We did go through and we did some minor polishing across the vehicle because it was oxidized and it did have a couple deeper scratches here and there. So we fixed those to the best of our ability. We touched up a couple of the rock chips. The front end does have, I don't want to say a lot of chips, but it's got a good amount for the year and the mileage. But again, the customer, he does not want to go in and pay about $4,000 to $5,000 just to have the front end fully repainted, get it looking perfect and new again, and then apply the paint protection film, because it's still going to be a driver. It's still going to be his daily driver all year round for 5 years. He said he puts about 12,000 to 13,000 miles a year on his vehicles, so about the average. So no need, but if we can protect it and keep it looking the best we can for going on forward, that's what he is shooting for. So again, polished, touched up some of the rock chips, and only then is it ready for application of paint protection film.
here's a good welcome move.
Alrighty, we got the S4 all finished up. So going back again, yes, this is a 2019, so it is about 6 or 7 years old. Does have some age to it. Does have a few rock chips, a couple, things here and there that only a full repaint will actually fix on this vehicle. But again, the customer is going to keep it long term, so 5 years or more. It's been his dream car. He wants to keep it looking as good as possible, makes the experience of owning one of these that much better. So we pretty much wrapped everything. Edges rolled just about everywhere possible as well, with the exception of just a couple areas like around here, let's say, because the drop along the bumper is very, very severe or sharp. So the film is gonna lift there, but we do have it wrapped coming in from the fender there because of the curvature. The film will stay locked down long-term there. Everything is wrapped. As you can see, it does have a couple chips coming through, very, very minor. The film actually masked a lot of the defects that were there, even though we polished the vehicle. Some deeper scratches and marks were there, but those are all basically under the film. It looks brand new. Essentially, you're adding a new clear coat on top. Yes, we can go through in wet sand and make it look perfect, but then the expense goes up significantly. So just roll with the film. When the time comes, if he ever wants to remove the film, can remove the film, go through and do a full correction on it. But for a vehicle like this just seems to be the best way to go about it. The stealth pieces as well. So like you have your mirrors, you have your pieces up here as well. Those are wrapped in XPEL stealth paint protection film as well. So those are covered and protected. We got the roof done. We got the moldings back done as well. We have the taillights all reinstalled, so the film is fully tucked coming all the way across here. It looks good, very, very nice and clean. And obviously we have the S4 badge installed back as well. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward, nothing really overly complex with this vehicle. Thank you again for watching this video. If you got a vehicle like this, you're looking to keep it long term, you want to wrap the whole entire thing, it makes sense for you, then give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. With that being said, I hope you have a fantastic day. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, I'm sorry.